Hi, so today we are going to talk about the real estate cycle. This real estate cycle is divided amongst four stages: recovery, expansion, hyper supply and recession. रियल एस्टेट साइकिल जो है बेसिकली ये इम्प्लाई करता है कि पिछले कुछ जनरेशन से ये रियल एस्टेट का बाजार ऐसे ही चलता आया है और ऐसे ही चलता रहेगा. Some things that you should keep in mind for this phase are इसकी आइडेंटिफिकेशन में स्टैग्नेशन ऑफ रेंटल्स. रेंटल्स डिप नहीं कर रहे होते हैं, सस्टेन कर रहे होते हैं, पर बढ़ भी नहीं रहे होते हैं. दूसरी चीज जो आपको पता चलती है, इट इज लेस और नो न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन. All sharks and all old-time investors are waiting to pounce upon the time because they get below market deals. These products can be financially or physically distressed, but they make you a lot of appreciation, which is why all the old players and big sharks are waiting right here for this moment to enter into the bazaar. We saw in 2018 the market shifting from a recession to getting into recovery mode. This is where all the people for Delhi and NCR were eyeing on Gurgaon and Noida to pick up the properties which were at the bottom brim price so that they can make exponential returns. The next phase that the cycle goes into is expansion. The first thing that you start to witness is there are more buyers as the economy is now doing well and the investor confidence is back in the market. And you will see job growth being strong and you will see a high increase in demand for retail, commercial, corporate spaces and housing. You can buy underdeveloped properties or developing properties or properties that are going into renovations and to make aggressive returns on your investments. So we witnessed the market getting into this phase in 2021 for Delhi and NCR. Everybody became aware that the market is now good. Everybody has a lot of money. Banks were giving loan for less interest rates. And I think that is the time when everybody experienced that now the market has moved from a buyer's market to a seller's market. Now there will be a tipping point coming in the industry when you see that the supply beats the demand. The market is no longer a seller's market as the sellers start to negotiate and bring their price down. In this time, you need to identify good stock and change your strategy from short term to long term. In this cycle, you have to be opportunistic and you have to get the right stock for you to buy and then hold. Post the stage of hyper supply, you will see the market getting into recession. The financial crisis of early 2000s followed by sustained recession. You will start to see that there are wide margins between demand and supply as there is a lot of supply and really no demand in the market. You will see there are high vacancy rates in all the projects that are being delivered. Now you will also see that there will be a fight amongst not the buyers but the sellers. किसको अपना flat exit करना? Everybody wants to take their money out because cash is king at this point of time. However, there is still room for you to make money. Why? Because everybody will offer you major discounts, huge discounts on the pricing, wherein you can pick up products at a very good price for you to buy, hold and then sell in the coming future at a good price. Now to know where you are standing in this real estate cycle, what I suggest you should do is get in touch with a trusted realtor and ask him what your investment is, seek his advice and he can tell you in what phase of the market we are and whether you should sell it, keep it or how to bring the best buck out of your investment.